Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this one we are discussing the question number 3A part MSc Physics MPS 004. And before starting this I want to share something. uh, we provide all type of solutions of your studies. If you are doing any degree and preparation of any exam, competition exam, so you have to just tell about your queries on our WhatsApp number, and you can just type and send the PDF on our WhatsApp number, and we provide all the type of solution in a day. So this question number 3A is consider the two following state vectors in a vector space spanned by the orthonormal eigenkets phi1, phi2, phi3, and the psi1 and the psi2 is given here. Determine psi1, 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 psi2 and psi2, psi2, the matrix elements of the operator psi1 and psi2. So this is the question which you need to solve. So if you need answers of all the questions, just type your question, and or you can give the photo of the PDF, or you can just get your answer in a day. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.